Now we'll go into last resort techniques. These are techniques that you would use only in a serious life or death situation. The first technique we will cover is the single or the double thumbs to the eyes. With the single thumb to the eye, you will strike with the thumb into the eye and then with the thumb drive back into the eye socket. Again, with one hand, drive the thumb into the eye and take that thumb and drive it right back into the eye socket itself. It can also be done with two hands. You will drive both your thumbs into the eyes, drive the thumbs back into the eye sockets and shake the head. Again, double thumbs into the eyes, drive the thumbs back into the eyes, and then you would shake the head. This can also be done if you did the double palm strikes to the ears, and then you could follow up with the double thumbs to the eyes, driving back. Again, this is a combination. Strike with the palms to the ears, drive your thumbs into the eyes, and drive it back and shake the head.